Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cake and chocolate only way. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F, grease a 9-inch pan, and sift dry ingredients together. Cream butter and sugar until light, then add eggs one at a time. Alternate adding dry mix and milk, finishing with melted chocolate folded gently. Pour batter into the pan and bake until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Melt chocolate slowly over a double boiler, stirring until smooth and glossy, then remove from heat. Warm cream and pour over chocolate to make a silky ganache, stirring until fully emulsified. Allow the ganache to cool until thick but spreadable, then use it to fill, frost, or swirl into batter for a marbled effect. Keep extras refrigerated and rewarm gently before using. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple tutorials. Quick recommendation. A smart read called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how I think about saving for kitchen gear and future baking classes, and it pairs with the idea of investing in better tools. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Avoid overmixing once you add flour to keep the crumb tender and light. Bake in the center, rack, and test with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, the cake is ready. Cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to finish cooling completely before trimming and frosting for the best texture and presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.